The historical significance of cats is profound, with various cultures attributing unique meanings and values to these animals. Ancient Egypt. In ancient Egyptian culture, cats were revered and considered sacred. The goddess Bastet, depicted as a lioness or as a domestic cat, symbolized fertility, motherhood, and protection. Killing a cat was punishable by death, as these animals were believed to embody divine qualities and offer protection against evil spirits. Medieval Europe. During the Middle Ages, cats became associated with witchcraft, often seen as familiars of witches or companions of the supernatural. This connection led to widespread superstition, and many cats were persecuted during witch hunts, believed to be vessels for malevolent spirits. Asia. In Japanese folklore, the maneki neko, or beckoning cat, symbolizes good fortune and prosperity. Cats were also thought to possess protective qualities, warding off evil spirits and bringing luck to their owners. Cats embody a wide array of symbolic meanings, often representing both protective and mysterious qualities. Key symbolic associations include intuition and psychic abilities. Cats are frequently associated with heightened intuition and psychic awareness. Their keen senses and ability to perceive subtleties in their environment encourage practitioners to trust their instincts and embrace their inner wisdom. Protection and guardianship. In many cultures, cats are viewed as protectors against negative energies and malevolent spirits. Their presence is believed to create a safe and sacred space, providing spiritual protection for their owners and their homes. Independence and freedom. Cats are known for their independent nature, symbolizing freedom and self-reliance. They encourage practitioners to embrace their individuality and assert their personal power, promoting a strong sense of autonomy in one's spiritual journey. In modern witchcraft, cats play significant roles as both symbols and spiritual allies. Some of their key roles include familiars. Many practitioners consider cats as familiars that personify qualities such as intuition, independence, and protection. They are believed to offer guidance and support during spiritual practices and personal growth. Divination and symbolic interpretation. The appearance of a cat in dreams or during rituals can be interpreted as a sign to trust one's instincts or to pay attention to the subtle energies around them. Cats may also symbolize the need for introspection and self-reflection. Ritual and spell work. Cats may be incorporated into rituals or spells focused on protection, intuition, or personal empowerment. Their energies can be harnessed to enhance psychic abilities, foster independence, and create a sense of safety within one's environment.